Hello and welcome to Learn Finland Swedish with the app we are building now. So let's choose the exercise types from here. I'm not going to choose speak mode because the STT, the speech to text service, I have some problems if I use my mobile phone. I need to fix that, but let's choose these three. And yeah, this is in Finland Swedish. It probably is identical to Swedish of Sweden, but I have a native Finland Swedish friend who made all the recordings. First of all, we have the question picture here, or we always have a hint picture. We can then click the audio button to hear the audio of the question. I don't know why it's not working now. That's weird. It should be working because it's blue. And earlier when I tried it worked. Well, let's try the next one. So this question is how many days are there in a week? And we need to order these word tiles in the correct order. Det går 7 dagar på en vecka. And that was correct. And here we have the explanation button. We can see the word by word explanations, and these are manually made actually. I made these because I didn't have the budget to make put all my translators to also create these extensive explanations of the content they made. Anyways, yeah, so it's not like with Closemaster where the explanations are created by ChatGPT or something. Uh, uh, the app I'm creating is not going to use any AI when you use it. I have used AI to help me building it and planning it, but the app itself doesn't use any AI. I really don't know why it's not working now because uh, just a while ago I tested and it worked. Anyways, let me know if you want to test the app yourself, and you can then see it working. So I'm just showing you quickly the different exercise types, and then I'm going to speedrun the remaining of the content. Okay, so måndag kommer före tisdag. Monday comes before Tuesday. The writing exercise, we can click the hint button as many times as we want. So this is not available in the challenge modes where you compete against other people, but in all of the practice modes, it's available. And like you can see in the bottom, you see the um, full answer without the correct word, and after you click check, you see the full answer. So this way you will learn how to uh, ask and answer one question at a time, which is, in my opinion, much more useful than just saying random words or phrases. But we are actually in the future adding a feature where you can learn to read and write letters. And above that, we are going to then add learning individual words and the different word forms, like different tenses, different cases. But this section we have built now, the question answer pairs. Yeah, this is separate from that. We will add the big section that I mentioned sometime in the future. I don't know when. And also after individual words, also examples of sentences where the words are used, and also some like multi-sentence features like having dialogues and articles and like that. But mostly, made by the users themselves or people we pay. So yeah, no AI texts. That's the plan now. Um, yeah, I don't know if we had the multi-option mode, but we already had at least the two other ones. So yeah, like you can see, it's pretty easy. You just choose from all of the four options, the correct one, and you can toggle. You can listen the audios. But like I said, I have a setting maybe why it's not playing the audio now. Yeah, so this is how it works, and yeah, we want to have the explanation button for all the content, but I haven't just had the time to add the explanations manually myself yet. So you saw how it looks like, and the plan is to have it for uh, all the questions. Oj. Hunden är människans bästa vän. Yes. And Finland Swedish is definitely in the plans, in our plans within the first 10, 15 languages. So are going to be the first languages are going to be Finnish, English, Russian, Ukrainian, and then as many Uralic languages as possible. But Finland Swedish is also actually among these, even though it's a North Germanic language, because some of the Uralic languages, like we have a small set of questions in Meänkieli, and many Meänkieli speakers, almost all of them live in northern Sweden, so it would be nice to have Swedish and also Finland Swedish. So people could actually choose Finland Swedish or Swedish as the source language. So not learn everything from English, but you could learn it from a Uralic language. Yeah, and let us know if you're interested in learning Finland Swedish, especially. We will probably add Swedish later than Finland Swedish because there are already so many apps for Swedish of Sweden. And yeah, we have the waiting list. Please let us know if you're interested because that will give us motivation to make everything faster. And you can also tell your preferences, like which languages, which other languages you're also interested.